Hey Feet, I'm Kristen Linton.
And I'm Jonathon Hawkins, and we're with Webb's Alumni and Development Office.
This year has certainly been challenging. We have spent countless hours in Zoom meetings. We have been quarantined at home. It has presented many difficulties.
It's certainly been an interesting year, Kristen. And one of the things that we miss so much is having alumni and friends visit campus.
We have missed y'all. We've missed showing people the campus, and we would really like to show you some of the improvements that we've made.
Yes, we've made quite a bit of improvements on campus, and one of them is right here in this room. Do you all know where we are?
It's the O Librario. The interior of the O Librario, also known as the John Webb Library, recently underwent an extensive update and now houses the Test Prep and Study Center. This center provides all 9th grade students and new 7th through 12th grade students with study skills instruction as well as a closely monitored study space during the school day. The center also monitors standardized test preparation for sophomores, juniors, and seniors as they prepare to take the PSAT, the SAT, or the ACT.
Next up, right next door to the O Library O, is the Bradley Building. Most recently used as a middle school classroom, the Bradley Building has been completely transformed and now houses the Office of the Assistant Head for Student Affairs. It has also quickly become one of the most popular places on campus for students to study, relax between classes, and socialize.
Built in 1926, the Sunwill Building was originally the main administrative office for the Webb School and now serves as the admissions office. It is on the National Register of Historic Places, and like the Bradley Building and the O Librario, it received a much-needed rejuvenation in the past year. Take a look. Plus, the bell in the bell tower has been restored and now rings at the beginning and ending of each school day. Oh, we almost forgot the new water tower.
That's right. The town of Bell Buckle collaborated with the school to build a new one, and it features Webb colors and the Webb Athletic logo. Thank you for joining us on this quick tour of some recent campus improvements. As you can see, many things change, but the most important things remain the same.
For example, the junior room, which is our oldest building on campus, it was built in 1886 and is on the National Register for Historic Buildings. It remains in use today as a classroom here at Webb.
And Kristen, we can't wait to show everyone these recent improvements in person soon.